Now these are done either at my home in my lounge room, which is very relaxed and very comfortable, which is what you want, or at a studio that I hire in the city. There are different sessions available. When you're starting out with me, with vocal coaching, I like to do 90-minute sessions. It sounds like a long time, but trust me, it goes like this. And what we usually do is we format by having the first 15 minutes be a chance for us to catch up and just kind of settle into things. Talk about the week that's been. I'm a massive fan of journaling. I have a singer's vocal journal that I offer up to my students, and that's a chance for us to review what you've been doing in the week or weeks leading up to our sessions. Then we use the bulk of the session, about 60 minutes, to actually get into it. So whether it's learning new techniques or actually singing through and implementing those techniques. And then the last 15 minutes is an opportunity to ask any questions or share music or anything at all. I also have a 45-minute session. That's where you're just going to sing through the songs. We will have done all the fundamentals. Usually takes about 4 90-minute sessions for that to happen.